Listen, the situation is like nothing we've ever seen before, simply because no one could have prepared for nature to attack us.
This is what I'm saying. We're all in the same situation, but there's no point in getting over...
They got into the gym at Cotton Hills last night.
Sorry, what?
They got into the gym at Cotton Hills last night, so...
We're talking about crows, seabirds, robins, sparrows. I mean, you think a man could... A grown adult can...
Yes, but your average gull is big, 4 or 5 or 6 pounds in weight, coming straight down out of the sky, easily reaching speeds of 40 miles an hour, can cause a tremendous amount of damage.
Every day I've been waking up, wondering if this is my last day alive.